Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Kenivac Incorporate, and in this video I will be telling you 3 steps to game development. So if you want to develop games, watch this video till end because I will be telling you the sources from where you can learn game development without spending a single penny. So let's get started. So the first step is to get a game engine. Now a game engine is software in which you design your game and link it with the coding and animations which are done separately using other softwares. After creating your game, the game engine extracts it as an executable file so that you can play it on your PC. Some game engines you can use are Unity and Unreal. Most of the developers recommend Unity for beginners, so I will recommend you to use Unity, but it's upon you if you want to use Unreal Engine instead of using Unity. You can get Unity on unity3d.com and you can download the personal edition which is available for free, but you can also use paid versions if you want. Second step is to get a 3D modeling software. A 3D modeling software is an application using which you can create different objects and characters for your game. You can also add animations to the objects you have created and use them in your game. Most commonly used 3D modeler is Blender, which is available for free on blender.org. You have to just select your operating system on this website and then click the download button. Third step is to learn a programming language. Soon after designing, you have to finally program your game. Most commonly used programming languages are C#, JavaScript and C++. I suggest you to use C# because it is easy to learn, but you can learn any one of them. So these were the 3 steps to game development. But now the question arises from where we can learn to operate the two softwares and to program in the programming language. Now I have only one answer for that, which is Brickies. Brickies is a YouTube channel where you can find tutorial videos for C#, Unity and Blender. Brickies have made different playlists for different courses. You can find several Unity courses, a separate C# course and a 3D modeling course in Blender. You can learn from any one of them and be a game developer. So that's all for today guys. Drop a like if you enjoyed and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any video in future. If you have any queries then just tell me in the comments below. I hope this video helped you and thanks for watching.